How to merge multiple PDF file into one. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me start with the video. Okay, so we need to do it in online, so it going to be very easy. So first we need to go any search engine. I'm using the Google. Okay, so okay, I have opened the Google. Now you can search for online PDF merger. Okay, then lots of tools or website you can see here will come. Personally, I use this one, which is I love the pdf.com. Okay, so here we have opened that tools, and we need to select that PDF file option from your device. Okay, now we need to PDF file. We need to select the PDF files from your device. Just click on that option. So I have only one file here, so I just make it two. So copy paste. Okay, so you can see PDF one. Actually, that both PDF are same, but I make the two file to show you how you can merge. Sorry. Okay, so now I need to select both file. You can select the multiple. I have only two, so I just select the two. Now just click open. Now you can see both PDF file has upload here, and here you can make some changes, like you can change the PDF place. So you can make any PDF place number 1 2 3. So you can change the numbering of this PDF page. Okay, and from here you can also select the more PDF file by clicking this option, which is add more. Okay, also you can select PDF file from your Google Drive and Dropbox. You can make the all you can also line up PDF file with this A to Z, or Z to A. Okay, it will be ordered by your file name only. Okay, so after you done everything, just go to click and just go to and click here merge PDF, and your PDF file will be merged. Now you just need to download it. Just click on it. PDF file will open. You can see the PDF has been merged. Okay, so there were two PDF file, but every PDF file has two pages, so total you can see 4 page here. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.